Hey guys, it's another evening adventure here out at my house, and I'm trying to get the footing in place so we can actually be ready for concrete if it ever arrives. Tried to call again today and I'm on a list. I actually wasn't on the list, I found out, because they couldn't find my name. But now I'm on this magic list of if they have a truck available, they'll call me, and I got to be ready at a moment's notice in case someone cancels or has to get kicked out of the schedule. So hopefully that happens, but hopefully we're ready before then, and this is all part of that. So thankfully I've got help tonight. We've got a real concrete guy who's guiding me, making sure that the forms are in place. Here's all my former drains I got from Structural Materials here in Fargo, and we're going to town. I'd say she's got a little bow to it, huh? Yeah. Hey Russell, what are you doing over here?
I am cleaning out the hole I dug.
Yep, because all that fell down, didn't it? Well guys, I hit a few spots with the mini excavator, and so now I got P-rock and dirt falling in these holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this vacuum through and suck it all up. That long skinny hose is actually working pretty good for that. Oh wow, that's soft. As good as new. Sorry guys, didn't mean to blind you there. Well, now I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna check to make sure this outer wall, which we just finished here today, is level or true, the height we want, the depth we want. Let's check it out and see where we're at and pound it down to where it needs to go, because we're a little high in some areas. All right, now that I got that done, it's time to shore up the rest of the boards or the forms with stakes and things like that. I'm probably gonna brace between the forms a few spots just to help stabilize that area. Look at that, Georgia. Would you just look at it? Oh, isn't she a beauty?
Whoa!
Whoa is right. I impress myself sometimes, and my baby girl. What'd you find?
Bee?
A bird? Oh no, it died.
Dad?
Dead? Well guys, this thing just a little bit ago smoked the window and then fell down here to its death. I mean, it died because it hit the window. They like to hang on these trees, eat the berries, and then go on a suicide mission into the window. Not that they know that that's a window, but it's really unfortunate that we're losing birds. I think I've picked up 3-4 of them in the last couple weeks here, and it's probably more in the fall when they're starting to group up. But it's a real sad thing. It's a real bummer. I don't like it. I like the birds.
Boo!
Yeah. Should we cook them and eat them? Yummy? Maybe not. It seems like my boys got a hold of the paint can recently, and we had to throw a pair of clothes away as a result as well. Hey, guess it's stage of being a boy. Well, this last part I am looking forward to the least because I don't have a mini excavator. I didn't rent one, or I didn't get this done when I did have one. And I can't get the skid steer down anymore to dig this out and then get back out of the hole. So I gotta dig this by hand. I'm gonna try to take the skid steer and try to get most of it out, but I still gotta dig the rest of it and get it back in the bucket. So I gotta dig all this out. All right, we're almost there. We're playing our favorite tunes. Ready for rock tomorrow. But yeah, I'll be packing that rock in and then be ready for the pour. Man, I cannot wait to get that done. But I'm still struggling to get concrete. It is impossible, it feels like, to get concrete right now. I'm hoping I got a few people who can pull me some favors and maybe have an accountant call in some concrete, because I just can't seem to get on the list and get it over here. And you know what? I only got about 8 weeks left before freezing will likely happen. And if this isn't covered, you guys, I'm gonna have frost issues under my footings, and that's gonna be a disaster. So I gotta get this covered, I gotta get this shored up, and I'm running out of time. All right, stay tuned to see if I get it done. I'm hoping. All right, see you on the next update.